Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, Aries, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's start with these cards. We have Ace of Cups, Page of Wands in reverse, and Five of Wands. So in your situation, guys, Aries, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are someone who is making a lot of efforts. You are working hard, doing your best, trying your best, struggling today, guys. And maybe your efforts may not give you the results today, but you can be rest assured that it is going to pay you one day, guys. One fine day you are simply going to reap the rewards for all your efforts, and you are moving towards that path to success and prosperity today in your life, guys, Aries. And whatever you wished for yourself, what gives you the true joy and happiness, you are moving towards that, and you are going to be simply happy. You are going to feel that contentment, happiness, abundance, and maybe in this connection with this person you love, you are starting a family, maybe planning to have a child together. So some kind of a positive change or a good change is happening in your work situation or in your relationship. Maybe for some of you, you are starting a family or you are beginning on a new venture. Maybe something that gives you happiness and it is taking you towards success and prosperity, beginning of a new project. So something happy is unfolding in your life today, guys. Aries. And maybe for some of you, there are certain announcements or news. For most of you, I see that it may be it may not be a good news or a bad news. It may be a news concerning someone. So maybe for some of you, it may be a news about someone sick. So you are worried about that, someone really close to you. Maybe you feel really lost and sad, stressed because of this news. There is some kind of an uncertainty in your situation, confusions maybe, because you don't know which way things will move, whether towards a positive or negative. So some kind of a news, it may be a breaking news, shocking you maybe, but things may go either way, guys. So we don't know what it is. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship first. So it is Eight of Wands in reverse. So with this card, for your relationship, maybe you know this person very much, you know them clearly, and maybe their behavior has changed so much today. There is something in their mind they want to tell you, but they are not confident enough to reveal to you. So maybe they are guilty of some mistakes and they are worried they cannot voice it out, guys, put it into words and reveal it to you. So something is bothering them, Aries. That is what I see for your relationship. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Queen of Cups. So with this card for your career situation, you are going to what to say, see clearly, guys, and do things with clarity. You have a clear understanding and you will proceed in the right way in your career situation, Aries. So that is the reading with these cards, Aries. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aries. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. We will see what is the card for you all today. Not for you. So with this card, guys, it just means that maybe this relationship or this connection is not meant to be. So some relationships carry an innate seed of failure right from the beginning, and you need not feel sad or stressed. You need to understand that rejection is God's way of protection. So when something is denied to you, however hard you make efforts, some things may not go right and you may see failure in that. You need to understand that maybe it is not meant to be. That is the reason it is not manifesting, and there are much better things on its way towards you, and you can be happy for that, guys. And you need to trust this and understand that rejection is God's protection today for you. So in a relationship, sometimes when it is not meant to be, however hard you try or whatever you do, things will not go up to expectation. And maybe right from the beginning, you may have an understanding that this connection may not work. You may have an intuition, or sometimes you may not observe things in this way. But if this relationship is meant to be, it will proceed towards the positive way, guys. But if it is not, if you are rejecting or if that person is rejecting, it is good for both of your sakes, guys, because for each and every person there is a proper match here, and this person may not be the best one for you, guys. So you need to understand that, and you need not feel worried. There is a best fit waiting for you. So you just need to have trust today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. This card for y'all, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, we have fairies, words. So with this card, it just means that in our circumstances today, guys, you need to be really careful what you speak, and you need to be really careful of the thoughts you have and the words we speak to people. It has a great impact in their life, guys. So that does not mean that we have to flatter someone to make them happy, go for that falsehood. It does not mean that. It just means that in each and every situation, we should speak with honesty and with the beauty of ourselves. So what inner beauty we have, our words should come from that kindness and from that compassion. And when we speak words of kindness, you need not think of anything else. You will surely be rewarded today, And when you do good things for others, your good deeds will always be reciprocated, guys. May not be today, but the rewards will surely reach you for whatever good you are doing to the people. It may be a stranger or it may be a friend. To whomever you do something good, it is going to come back to you. And when you speak kind words, you are enriching yourself with more beauty and kindness. So that is the energy here, guys. So maybe in some situation today, you are doing things the right way, not for the sake of someone praising you or appreciating you, just for the truth, and honesty, and for the beautiful soul you have. So you are doing the right things for the sake of the right thing, not for anything else. So maybe in your situation, something demands this action on your part, and you are moving ahead with honesty, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.